want to show you this one. I want to show you this one because all of your main strategies do not work whatsoever. Main strategy number 1, change to sine and cos. It's already done. Main strategy number 2, write both sides as a single fraction. It's already done. Okay? So in this one, I am going to introduce you a new strategy, which I call build the other side. This is my own word. In the build the other side strategy, if you've done everything and nothing seems to work, make something the same. Choose either your denominators or numerators. Let's say I wanted to make my denominators the same. Can you see that this one would be missing a 1 plus cos theta? So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 1 plus cos theta. And this one is missing a sine theta. So I multiply top and bottom by sine theta. And what that would do is, and I'm not even going to multiply it out, I'm going to just leave it factored like this. Can you see that both of them would have the same denominator? And what this does as a strategy is it says, well, maybe there's something we can do. If we make our denominators the same, maybe there's something else we can see after that. Can you see on the right-hand side that sine times sine, my top here would be sine squared theta. And on this one, if I multiply out 1 plus cos times 1 minus cos, hopefully you recognize that as a difference of squares factored. If you recognize that as a difference of squares factor, you can multiply it out right away, and you get 1 minus cos squared theta. So the build the other side strategy says, when nothing else is working, and you've used all your other main strategies, make something the same. Make your denominators the same. Make your numerators the same. And then, once my denominators are the same, look now, my numerators are still different. But is there something I could do? I have a squared. Oh. Hey, can you see that you could get 1 minus cos squared theta with one mental math strategy? It would equal sine squared. Perfect. So you're allowed to change it to sine squared. And then our left side is equal to our right side. And I need a volunteer to ask what the QED stands for. Oh. I'm kidding. But that's kind of fun, wasn't it? A little bit? For those of you that recognize that people asked that like 7 times already. It's okay. It's okay. I was in your spot. I've been in classes where I like zoned out for a bit, and then I was like, asked the question, and the teacher said, I just answered that. 3 seconds. Oh, yeah. That happens. I've been. Okay. So, what I'm going to leave you with now, which you can copy down on page 620. These are now our list of strategies, right? The main one, right? I'm going to put right? Up till now, that's been our main strategy. But there are some other things that can help us along the way, including that build the other side strategy. And so what you need to do now is work on that sheet that I gave you. Let's try to get up to proof number 35 or 38 for tomorrow. on that one with identities.